Hello class and welcome to week 6 of ACLT 053 Online. For this week in ACLT 053 Online, you will have the reader responses at the end of the week and also the blog responses. It's very similar to what you've been doing in the past, and just as a reminder, I will go to it. On the discussion board for Health Week 3 discussion discussion post, you will see an entry about connecting, extending, and challenging the reading that you've been doing in English 101. For instance, this week in English 101, you're reading about hormones and foods, should you worry, or sugar overload, or the longevity boosters by Tweed and others. How do you connect with the ideas? So I'm asking to reflect on what you're reading and to make some kinds of connections, extend your understanding of it, and challenge yourself with further questions. And of course, please respond to at least 2 other students in the classroom. Respond to their posts. Also, at the end of the week, you're going to be required to do a blog for the Health Week 3 reading and writing. This is very similar to what you've been doing. In fact, the wording is the same. You're responding to, reflecting on what you're learning and connecting, making some connections. And I ask you to respond at least to 1 other here in for this blog entry. It's saying 2 or more, but I know that you're writing your essays this week. So if you get to only respond to 1 this week for the blog, that'll be fine. Okay, so in addition to that, you are beginning to write your health essay, and I hope the information that you read about, that you watch on the videos, and that you interact with on the discussion board posts with your peers will help you compose a very, very good essay. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.